In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add task in ClickUp. By the end, you'll be comfortable creating a new task exactly where you need it, with the right context and details so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app, whatever you usually use. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you begin. That way, the task will live with the rest of your team's work and be easy to find later. Next, navigate to the specific list where you want the task to live. In ClickUp, work is organized into spaces, folders, and then lists. Head into the space and folder that makes sense for your project, and then click into the exact list that matches your goal. This helps keep your tasks organized and makes reporting and filtering much simpler down the line. Inside that list, look for the plus icon. Depending on your view, you might see a plus at the top or an add task area near the bottom of the list. Click the plus icon to start the creation flow, then select task. This tells ClickUp you're adding a standard task rather than something like a doc or a subtask. You'll be prompted to enter a name. Type a clear, action-oriented title that explains what needs to happen. For example, instead of landing page, use something like draft headline options for landing page. A good title makes the task easier to recognize in views and when teammates search for it. Now you're in the task window where you can add the rest of your details. This is your place to provide context so the work is unambiguous. Use the description to explain the objective, include any relevant links, or outline acceptance criteria. If it helps, attach files or paste references your team will need. You can also fine-tune things like assignees, due dates, priority, and tags to make the task trackable and aligned with your workflow. If you rely on checklists or subtasks, add them here to break the work into manageable pieces. The more relevant details you include up front, the smoother the execution will be. Once you've named the task, it's created in your list, and your additional details are saved as you add them. You can close the task window when you're done, and return to your list knowing everything is in place. That's it. Open your ClickUp account, go to the specific list, click the plus icon, choose task, enter the name, and add your task details. You're ready to keep your work organized and moving forward.